Hi, I'm Jim Gordon. We're at the inaugural TSX Venture 50 Capital Conference in the Okanagan. Joining us now is Brady Fletcher. He is the Managing Director and Head of the TSX Venture Exchange. Welcome.
Thanks, Jim. Good to be here.
Glad to have you here. Okay, what is Venture 50?
The TSX Venture 50 is our annual flagship awards program where we recognize the top 10 companies in each of 5 different industry classifications, being technology, mining, energy, diversified, and life sciences.
Okay, second question is 2 parts.
Sure.
Why is the ranking important and what does it mean?
We have over 1,700 listed companies with us on the TSX Venture Exchange. And the companies that are the Venture 50 winners are those companies that have successfully been able to execute on their business plan and their share prices followed, so investors have been able to make money with them. They've also been able to use that share currency, that publicly quoted stock, to be able to make acquisitions or to finance and increase their market capitalization. So the Venture 50 companies are selected on 3 equally weighted criteria, being their share price appreciation, market cap growth, and trading liquidity.
Let's talk about what the Venture 50 companies do in terms of contributing to the Canadian economy. Sure. Can you walk us through that?
Yeah, you know, it's really interesting. When you think about the entrepreneurs that are building with us, and it's across all sectors, last year we did a survey and we found roughly 2,200 new jobs were created by just the Venture 50 companies alone. All of those companies had plans to increase their staffing again this year. So we're creating jobs and these entrepreneurs are building new businesses. Also, we found that each of these companies does business in an average of 11 different countries. And so you're seeing these companies that are growing with us, that are executing on their business plan, able to expand internationally. And even more exciting, we're starting to find companies internationally coming to the Venture Exchange to leverage this unique capital formation platform.
Brady, can you talk about working together with the capital event management? How's that been?
It's been awesome. You know, when we look at all of the companies listed with us, and again, there's over 1,700 listed companies on the Venture Exchange, one of the biggest challenges that they have is getting in front of investors. And we at TMX Group have invested in figuring out ways to do that. We've launched our Matrix program. We're doing a number of different investor development initiatives. And to partner with Capital Events to launch our inaugural Venture 50 conference, it's been a huge success.
One last question for you. Can you talk about recent trends that you're noticing on Venture?
Sure. You know, the Venture 50 winners last year, we actually had 8 international companies that were winners. And they came from the US, Singapore, China, Israel. When you look at that, I think you're really seeing this new trend where global entrepreneurs are looking to the unique Canadian 2-tiered ecosystem to be able to access public venture capital, grow their business, and then graduate to a senior exchange like the TSX. Since the inception of the awards, we've actually had 97 Venture 50 winners that have graduated up to the TSX.
Brady, I know you're busy. Thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
Cheers.